Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to blur an image using Photoshop. How to blur photo or how to blur specific part of the photo. This is for very basic users and newcomers. Okay, see my screencast. To blur specific part of the photo, use these keys on your keyboard. First, hit the Q, then B, then B. Now you will see the quick mask mode. Then you can brush the area you want to blur. And after the painting, you can hit the Q again. Then you can see the selected area. Then you can do the blur process as same as before.